Welcome one, welcome all. I am Mark Paulda, a professional photographer. I have been in the photography business for well over 20 years. I want to help you succeed so you can earn money with your camera. With every episode, I will offer you sound advice so you can be part of the 15% of aspiring photographers who succeed. If you are looking for help to turn your passion for photography into a successful business, you have come to the right place. I have got the answers. My weekly episodes will help you understand how to market yourself, how to build a profitable business, and best business practices. No more feeling lost. You do not have to go it alone. Join my audio podcast and start taking my advice on turning your hobby into a profitable business. You will get access to a professional photographer and the best practices that I have learned and experienced over the years. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpaulda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. Let's get started.
Marketing is discussed a lot throughout the blog, because marketing is key to your success. Today, I will give you a quick guide. A guide to marketing your art photography. Whether you're an established photographer or emerging, this guide will help you to know how to market yourself and your art. Before any sort of marketing begins, be sure to have a solid body of photographic work in your portfolio. 1. Your website. Get set up with a great website to feature your artwork and collections in order to compete in an impactful way in the art arena. Self-edit and choose only the best of your best photographs to display. And be sure to write appropriate captions. 2. Spend some time researching and getting familiar with each art organizations, galleries and/or curators. Visit their websites and decipher how your work might potentially fit stylistically with their roster of artists and clients. Do not contact people blindly. Know about who you are talking to, as it makes a huge difference. Making a connection. Marketing your photography. 1. Social media. Follow and/or friend the art advisors on their social media channels by liking, commenting, and sharing their postings. Be consistent with your network building, but do not overdo it. Be subtle and honest. Being engaged in your art community, through social media, has positive effects on potential buyers and art advisors. Develop your own social media channels of choice. Be consistent with your postings of your artwork, whether it be on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. Be sure to post quality visual content daily. 1 or 2 images or postings at the most per day with appropriate titles, tagging, quotes, or other interesting credits and information. If content does not improve your brand as an artist, do not dilute your offerings with images for the sake of an image. This is not the time for thoughtless selfies or what you had for lunch. Include appropriate images from your personal and/or working life every so often. For example, images from an art show or event you participated in. Develop an understanding of the culture of each social media channel. Get engaged. Email outreach. Send out quarterly personalized, one-at-a-time emails from your personal or work email address. I do not recommend sending general email blasts, but instead, tailor your emails to those on your email list. Include a clear headline. Keep your introductory copy short and to the point. Be knowledgeable about what they do, and who they are, and how you might be a good fit. Please note, if you contact potential art advisors, and your work does not match what they are currently buying or promoting style-wise, you can gently make a pitch as to why they could consider your work. This opportunity to communicate directly and clearly is why a generic mass email campaign will not be as effective in your marketing efforts. Include a visual sample of your work in your email text, and a link to your website, along with your contact information in your signature. Be sensitive to the file size of your images in your email marketing outreach. It clogs email accounts if files are too big. I can tell you from experience that some recipients of emails get highly irritated if sent files are way too big. And this is not a good way to try to begin a conversation. Direct mail. Follow up with a strong, well-produced printed piece. Consider postcards, fine art prints, booklets, or posters. Send out a quarterly with a single visual image, or collection of images, with each mailing. Feature new work, or a popular piece from your social media postings. Meetings. Make one follow-up call, to inquire if they had a chance to see your direct mail piece, and/or your email correspondence. Request a face-to-face meeting. The best and most important way to build relationships. Offer to take them to lunch, or coffee, if you have made a good connection. Consider bringing your printed portfolio, or fine art prints, along with an iPad presentation of your work. Bring additional leave-behinds of your printed marketing materials. Events, competitions, and art shows. Attend art happenings, and non-profit, or other art events locally, nationally, or globally. Participate in, and/or attend gallery and museum shows and openings. Sign up and enter noteworthy art competitions. Follow them all on social media. Network and support artists in your community and beyond. Oftentimes, it is other artists who open the important doors and make the great introductions. Lastly, keep making new artwork. Producing new work and getting it out there to the art advisors is key to maintaining and building a strong, energetic artistic brand identity and awareness. Marketing really is not difficult, though it is time-consuming. Take the time necessary to market yourself as a photographer and your photography. Lack of marketing is the number one reason why so many photographers do not achieve their goals. Consistent marketing is key to your success in the world of photography.
A genuine thank you for joining me today for this episode. If you are serious about success in the photography business, then I am serious and ready to help. Visit markpaulda.mentor.com and discover a variety of ways I can help you in your journey. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpaulda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. I will catch you in the next episode.